Karma Salis from Class 2 Farabi, college number PB201082. Today I'm here as your reporter to discuss about healthy lifestyles. Today, we're here to basically ask some people about how they do it, and hopefully we can set them as an example for us to do better in the future.
Is Nur Ashikin binti Muhammad Ali. My height is 156 centimeter and my weight is 55 kilogram. I work as an HR executive at IT Solutions Company. As an HR executive, I sit at my desk most of the time, so I always make sure that my food intake portion is small. I still take breakfast, lunch, dinner as usual, but in small portion. To me, a healthy lifestyle does not only mean healthy eating, but it should also include physical activities, good stress management, and good rest. Okay, to maintain a healthy lifestyle, make sure to exercise at least 3 to 4 times a week, and also have a good rest at night, and also sleep a minimum of 6 hours.
Wait, no! Please introduce yourself, Karma Salis Ismail. What's your career? Design and development engineer. What do you know about a balanced meal? Core protein, core carbo, health vegetables. What's your food intake as an engineer? Moderate consumption of protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables. What does a healthy lifestyle mean to you? Eating healthy and regular exercising. How do you maintain it? Eating junk food only once in a while, daily walking to meet 10,000 steps, hiking during weekends. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and actually learned something from it. Something that we can both apply maybe to our daily lifestyles now. Have a good one, guys. Assalamualaikum.